My name is Justin Sutton. I'm the service consultant here at Porsche Bend. And today we're going to be talking about the service process all the way from the time that you check your vehicle in, all the way to the time that you check the vehicle out. And also we're going to be covering when we're outside of business hours, where you can go ahead and drop the vehicle off as well. Typically we open the doors at 7:30 a.m. I'm usually waiting for the first client's arrival at that point in time, but if you have a problem that's pertinent, you feel that you need to drive by all means, we're here for that as well. When you drive into the service drive, the door is going to probably be closed depending on the weather. You have a radar sensor above the door, so feel free to go ahead and pull all the way up to the door. The door will automatically open for you and close behind you, and that's going to be a preheated environment for your arrival, to which I'll greet you at the vehicle, and then I'll go ahead and check you in at that point in time after doing a thorough walk around, get the mileage and that sort of thing. If you do happen to go ahead and arrive outside of business hours, that's not a problem. So we do have a drop box just to the right of my service drive. You'll see it, it's titled drop box right there. You just slide that drawer out, and then there's going to be a pen and envelope in there for your convenience. Fill it out, put the keys in the envelope, and then go ahead and drop them in the insert and close the drawer. And that'll lock and secure your keys overnight until I can check the vehicle in. Amenities are available, so feel free to wait in our very comfortable waiting area. You can fix you a cup of coffee, myself or Vanessa, happy to do that. Also, we do have snacks available as well, so please feel free to help yourself. Once we've checked the vehicle in and I've got the information such as mileage, and I've done my walk around the vehicle with you, I'm going to go ahead and provide you some documentation. We're just going to require some signatures from you so that we can legally work on the vehicle at that point in time. And then I'll give you an estimated hit time as to when the vehicle is expected to be complete, either later in the day or later in the week or whenever it is. Typically, your vehicle is going to be complete and I'll have your paperwork pre-prepared for you on your arrival. And I'll go ahead and get you checked out at that point in time, and then we'll walk you out to the vehicle and send you on your way. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am available for you really anytime from 7:30 to 6, Monday through Friday. Feel free to call me as well at 541-617-6349. Thank you so much.
Kendall, let's start something great.